Hello everyone, welcome to LX518. Have you encountered your car aircon blower went dead? Well, I got one. My Myvi model 2009 previously had that problem. That time, I went to two car shops, but both failed to locate the root cause. The motor was good, the wirings were fine, and no blown fuse. I even went to Myvi One Stop Center, but they wanted to replace the whole thing.
Nope.
The blower motor, compressor, condenser, etc., etc. And I don't need that way of solving the issues. It's a shotgun method, shooting everything you see, paying extras for unskilled services. At home, I searched for my aircon wiring diagram online, but I could not find the exact drawing. I joined the local forum and raised my concern, but nobody can help as well. However, there was a method I did that successfully discovered the root cause. Just stick around, the details are coming up right now. Using the multimeter, I traced the blower motor power supply wirings and I found a relay under the hood that linked to it. I don't have the spare part, so I swap it to the adjacent relay with the same part number. And voila! The blower motor spin. So it was the relay, the faulty part. I immediately purchased a good relay. Both of them I replaced because they get the same date code. One already failed, and soon the second one most likely. I saved my money again, and hope you learned something despite short video I got. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Anyway, I'm happy you've been here. This is LX518 at your service. See you next time. Goodbye.